Good morning students, welcome to chapter number 4, Exponents and Powers, session 4. So in the last session we have covered few sums in the exercise 4.1. Hope we have done till 4 bits in that exercise. Today let us look at the sum number 5. We have 2 bits in that. Let's do those 2 bits and after that let me give you some homework. Okay. So before that, most of you have done your homeworks and sent me. That's well and good. Few people have did some mistakes. I will let you know what are those. And some people haven't sent me homework. I don't know why. What the reason is. So better if you do your homework on time. That will be well and good for you. You will be having a practice also. Same practice kuda ayipotundi. Okasari homework cheste practice kuda ayipotundi. And a few people are sending me homework after the time passes. Because limited time untundi. Ivala morning in class vintunnaru. Send that homework immediately. At least, not immediately. At least by end of the day. 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Before 8 o'clock in the evening. Morning 8 to be class hoste. Evening 8 o'clock. It's more than 12 hours, right? Almost 12 hours. Sorry, it's almost 12 hours. So at least send me by 8 p.m. Okay, morning 8 a.m. to me evening 8 p.m. 12 hours I'm giving you time. By that time send me. Once if I see anyone is sending after 8 p.m. that will be ignored. Adi memu consider cheyamu and list lo me name tick undadu ante homework cheyaledu anattu untundi after if I receive after 8 o'clock. Got it? So without wasting time, let's move on to the 5th sum. Simplify and give reasons. So I have already told you reasons ante enti ante the formulas which we are using. Oka step ni inkoka step lo marchestunnam. Enduku marustunnam? Reason enti? Because the formula suggesting us to change it, right? Formula ఇది ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా, రాసుకోవని చెప్తుంది మనకి. That's the reason we are changing it. Well, look at the first sum in that 5th bit. It's 3 square minus 2 square in the brackets divided by 1 by 5 whole square, right? Listen to this sum very carefully. We are getting some new formula in this sum today. First, ఈ square ni separate చేసేద్దాం. Okay? 3 square. Okay, solution. Write down again. 3 square minus 2 square. Square bracket divided by 1 by 5 whole square. Question lo, sorry, solution lo question mala ఒకసారి రాసుకుందాం. Now let's simplify it. ఇక్కడ నుంచి మనం sum start చేద్దాం. ఎలా? First ఈ square ని దీనికి separate గా రాసేద్దాం. 3 square minus 2 square whole square divided by 1 by 5 whole square. Got it? Right. Next. So ఇది చూసిన వెంటనే మీకు ఏదైనా ఫార్ములా కనిపిస్తుందా? Observe it. Algebraic expressions. Have you ever seen this formula? This pattern ఈ మోడల్ ఒక ఫార్ములా ఉంటుంది. Since a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? Our formula ఉంది కదా, 3 square minus 2 square is equals to a is equal to 3 square, b is equal to 2 square. Okay, a plus 3 square ఉంది, b plus 2 square ఉంది. ఫార్ములా లో a square అన్నాడు. a అంటే 3 square, 3 square whole square plus b అంటే 2 square, b అంటే 2 square. మరి b square అంటే ఇంకొక 2 square whole square minus 2 into a is 3 square into b is 2 square. Write down the same here. దీని ప్లేస్ లో ఏదైతే సింప్లిఫై చేసామో అది రాయండి. 3 square whole square plus 2 square whole square minus 2 into 3 square into 2 square divided by 1 by 5 whole square ante 1 square by 5 square. 1 square is 1, 5 square is 25. Or next step lo simplify chedam, make it 5 square. Now 3 square whole square, 3 square whole square, ikkada oka formula a power m whole power n. Since a power m whole power n is equals to a power m n ante a power m into n, appudu ide emotundi 3 power 2 into 2 plus 2 power 2 into 2 minus 2 into 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4 divided by 1 by 5 square. 3 power 2 into 2 is 3 power 4 plus 2 power 2 into 2 is 2 power 4 minus 2 9s 18 fours. What is 18 fours? 18 table ravali. 4 8s 32, 2 3 4 1 4 plus 3 72, right? Divided by 1 by 25. 5 square is 25, right? Let's see next step. 3 power 4. 3 power 4 ante enti? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 minus 72 divided by 1 by 25. Let me erase this formula. Copy చేసుకోండి ఇది compulsory. Now 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81 plus 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16 minus 72 divided by 1 by 25. 81 plus 16. What is 81 plus 16? 7 9 97, right? Now 97 minus 72, 9 2. Sorry, it's 25. 25. So it's 25. 25 divided by 1 by 25, right? You know, right? Multiplicative inverse. Ikkada division undi kabatti we use multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of 1 by 25 is 25, right? అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది 25 ఇదంతా మనం మల్టిప్లికేటివ్ ఇన్వర్స్ చేసాం కాబట్టి 25 వచ్చింది. అప్పుడు ఇంటూ 25 which will be 25 into 25. 5 is 25, 5 2, 5 2 is 10 plus 2 12, 2 5 is 10, 0 1, 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5, 5 2 6, 625. Got it? Let's see one more time. ఇది ఏ ఫార్మ్ లో ఉంది? సారీ, రైట్ డౌన్. ఫస్ట్ యాజ్ ఇస్ రాసుకున్నాం. నెక్స్ట్ ఈ స్క్వేర్ ని సెపరేట్ గా రాసాము. తర్వాత దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ a స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ b స్క్వేర్ హోల్ స్క్వేర్. సారీ, a మైనస్ b హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఫార్మ్ లో ఉంది. a మైనస్ b హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఫార్మ్ లో is a స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ b స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 2ab. సో a స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ b స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 2ab డివైడెడ్ బై 1 by 5 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అంటే 1 by 5 స్క్వేర్. నౌ 3 స్క్వేర్ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అంటే a పవర్ m హోల్ పవర్ n, a పవర్ mn or a పవర్ m into n. 3 power 2 into 2 plus 2 power 2 into 2 minus 2 into 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4 divided by 1 by 5 square. 3 power 2 into 2 is 4, 3 power 4 plus 2 power 2 into 2 is 4, 2 power 4 minus 2 into 9 into 4 is 72 divided by 1 by 5 square is 1 by 25. So 3 power 4 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 multiply 3 4 times. Okay, next plus 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 minus 72 divided by 1 by 25. So 3 into 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81, plus 2 into 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, minus 72 divided by 1 by 25. So you move to simplify. 81 plus 16 is 97, 97 minus 72 is 25, 25 divided by 1 by 25. Confusion ఏం లేదు కదా. Suppose 25 divided by 25 ఉంటే 25 by 25 cancel చేసి 1 అని రాస్తాం. ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది 25 divided by 1 by 25 ఉంది. కాబట్టి we are taking multiplicative inverse of 1 by 25 is 25. Multiplicative inverse of 1 by 25 is 25. So ఈ 1 by 25 plus 25 రాసుకొని మధ్యలో మల్టిప్లికేషన్ పెడుతున్నాం. 1 by 25 ని 25 చేయట్లేదు. డివిజన్ ని కూడా మారిస్తేనే 25 రాయాలి. ఈ డివిజన్ సింబల్ ని మల్టిప్లై చేసుకొని 1 by 25 ని 25 గా రాస్తున్నాం. Now 25 into 25 is 625. This is your first sum. Okay? Let's see second one. 5 square whole cube into 5 power 4 divided by 5 power 6. So let us see this sum. Solution. Again write the question. 5 square whole cube into 5 power 4 divided by 5 power 6. Okay? Now, this in the form of, this is a power m whole power n. Just simple ga. Since a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn, which is nothing but a power m into n. Now, this 5 power 2 into 3 into 5 power 4 divided by 5 power 6. Now 5 power 2 into 3 can be written as 5 power 6 into 5 power 4 divided by 5 power 6 gets cancelled. 5 power 6 and 5 power 6 gets cancelled. Here multiplication symbol undi kabatti cancel chestunam. Here plus or minus ante we can't do, right? Now remaining is 5 power 4. 5 power 4 ante 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Simplify అన్నాడు కాబట్టి మొత్తం సింప్లిఫై చేసుకొని వెళ్ళాలి. ఇక్కడికి వదిలేస్తే సగం మార్క్స్ వస్తాయి. Now 5 5s 25, 25 5s 125, 125 into 5. Excuse me. 5 into 5 is 25, 5 2. 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 12, 2 1. 5 1s 5 plus 1 6, 625. This is your answer. Clear? Right? Let's move on to sixth sum. Find the value of n. Find the value of n in each of the following. So in this first one, okay, so we have 3 sums in this particular bit. 6th bit lo 3 sums unnai. I am going to tell you one sum and the remaining 2 will be your homework. So I am going to tell you the first one itself. Already same sums manamu example lo oka chesamu. I think example number 2 or 3. Sorry, it's example number 7. Example number 7. bases are same, powers can be equated and sum chesam example 7. So it resembles that sum laga untundi. Let's see. Sorry. Yeah, I'm going to do the first one. 2 by 3 whole power 3 into 2 by 3 whole power 5 is equals to 2 by 3 whole power n minus 2. Okay? Solution. Write down once again. 2 by 3 whole power 3 into 2 by 3 whole power 5 is equals to 2 by 3 whole power n minus 2. ఇవి రెండు ఇదంతా a ఇదంతా b. a power m into a power n. Formula is since a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. అంటే a is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 whole power m plus n అంటే 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is equals to 2 by 3 whole power n minus 2. Now 2 by 3 whole power 3 plus 5 is 8 is equals to 2 by 3 whole power n minus 2. You got it right? Next step will be, it's very clear, bases రెండు సేమ్ ఉన్నాయి, పవర్స్ ని ఈక్వేట్ చేయాలి. When bases are same, powers can be equated. Right? Base same ఉన్నప్పుడు పవర్స్ రెండుని ఈక్వేట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, పవర్స్ రెండు 8 is equal to n minus 2. రైట్? ఇది మొత్తం ఇటు ఇది మొత్తం అటు రాస్తున్నాను నేను. ఏం చేంజ్ చేయట్లేదు. n minus 2 is equal to 8. n is equal to 8. Minus 2 what is there? Plus 2. Now n is equal to 10. Right? So he asked us to find out the n value and we find it. Right? n is equal to 10. That is your answer. Okay? So in this particular bit you have two more sums. Those two are your homework. Exercise 4.1 sixth bit, second sum and third sum. Right? These two sums are your homework. Do it. Send it before 8 p.m. If you send after 8 p.m, that will not be considered. Okay, it will be ignored. Hope you understood this class. If you have any doubts, ask me. Some people are doing WhatsApp call. I'm not going to answer WhatsApp calls. Okay, message in WhatsApp or call me offline, not WhatsApp call. Okay, till then, bye. Let's meet in the next session.